As India's western coast is battling with the repercussions of Cyclone Taukte, another cyclonic storm is inching towards the eastern coast. Indian Meteorological Department has predicted that a low pressure area is likely to form near the east central Bay of Bengal and adjoining North Andaman Sea. Accordingly, Odisha has put 14 of its districts on high alert after IMD's weather forecast over cyclone Yas. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik has urged the Indian Coast Guard and the Indian Navy to get prepared for the emergency situation. The state is prepared to face any eventuality. Though the IMD is yet to confirm the path of the deep sea depression, its speed and landfall location, Odisha has been bracing for the challenge beforehand. Besides Odisha, even the West Bengal government is planning to set up disaster shelters in southern districts to tackle the cyclonic storm. The weather department had warned that the state is going to experience light to moderate rainfalls at several places and heavy rainfall at isolated places. IMD also said sea conditions would be rough over the southeast Bay of Bengal and South Andaman Sea from May 21st till 23rd. Sea conditions will be rough to very rough over the Andaman Sea and adjoining the east central Bay of Bengal on May 23rd, high to very high over several parts of central Bay of Bengal, North Bay of Bengal and along and off Odisha, West Bengal coasts during May 24th to 26th. West Bengal government has advised the fishermen not to venture into the southeast Bay of Bengal and South Andaman Sea from May 21st. Apart from Odisha and West Bengal, there might be widespread rains in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Ministry of Defence said that the Indian Coast Guard launched extensive preemptive measures on the east coast. Ships at anchorage have also advised taking shelter and necessary safety measures. NAVTEX warnings are being issued regularly and the International Safety Net has been activated to alert the vessels in transiting through the area. Port authorities, oil rig operators, shipping, fisheries authorities and fishermen associations have informed about the likelihood of cyclone formation and a close liaison and coordination for the safety of boats, vessels and fixed platforms are being maintained. Even the National Disaster Team has also positioned its teams in West Bengal and Odisha amid the preparations for tackling Cyclone Yas.